Most people learning data science right now are doing the same thing. They watch a video, copy the code, feel productive for 5 minutes, and forget it by next week. They can run the code, but they can't explain why it worked or what it actually did. That's the real gap in this field. It's not about how many tools you've touched. It's about whether you actually understand what you're doing with them. So here's the plan for today. 8 courses, in the order that actually builds real understanding. For each one, I'll tell you exactly what you learn, and just as importantly, what it changes for you once you know it. Links to all 8 are in the description below. Let's start at the very beginning. 1. Data Science Foundations. Think about the last time you saw a headline like, AI predicts customer churn, or company uses machine learning to boost sales. Did you actually know what that meant, or did you just accept it and move on? This course fixes that gap. You learn the full data science life cycle, how raw data gets collected, cleaned, and turned into a working decision, plus the core tasks that show up everywhere in this field: classification, prediction, and clustering. You'll also get a first real look at machine learning and the languages the field runs on. Here's what this actually buys you. Every term you hear for the rest of this list gets properly explained right here. Skip this course and everything that comes after will feel like guesswork stitched together with jargon you half understand. 2. Data Science Mathematics. This is the course most beginners quietly skip because math sounds boring compared to actually building something. That's a mistake. This course teaches probability, statistics, linear algebra, and calculus through real case studies predicting house prices and even tracking how COVID-19 spread through a population. You're not memorizing formulas in isolation. You're watching them solve an actual problem first. Here's the payoff. Anyone can run a model and get a number out the other end. Very few people can explain why that number came out the way it did. That explanation is exactly what separates someone who followed a tutorial from someone a company can actually trust with a real decision. 3. Probability for data science. A spam filter doesn't know for certain an email is spam. It's just confident enough to flag it. That confidence has to come from somewhere, and this course teaches you exactly where. You'll learn the basics of probability, marginal probability, and Bayes Theorem. The same logic behind medical diagnosis tools, recommendation engines, and fraud detection systems. Without this course, you can build a model. With it, you can tell someone exactly how much to trust that model's answer. That one skill is the difference between a hobby project and something a business will actually put money behind. 4. Linear programming for data science. If you had a fixed budget and 3 different ways to spend it, how would you actually know which option gives you the best return? That's precisely what this course teaches. You'll learn the graphical method, sensitivity analysis, and how to work within real limits of money, time, and resources through genuine case studies in investment decisions, portfolio optimization, and recruitment planning. Most beginner roadmaps leave this course out entirely, and that's exactly why it's worth your time. Plenty of people can analyze a data set. Very few can turn around and say, here's the smartest thing to actually do with it. That second sentence is what employers pay for. 5. R for data science. This is where you finally write your first real code. This course takes you from nothing, installing R for the first time through data structures like vectors and data frames, inbuilt functions, and flow control. And by the second half, you're doing real data manipulation and building visualizations using ggplot2. Here's something most beginners don't know. R trains you to think like a statistician first and a coder second, and that habit sticks with you no matter what language you use later. R also still runs the show in research labs, hospitals, and universities, places where Python alone won't open the same doors. 6. Data science with Python. This is the language almost every data science job posting asks for by name. You'll start with statistics and Python fundamentals, then move through NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and Seaborn, the essential libraries this entire field is built on, before building real regression models. One of the hands-on projects has you predicting diabetes risk using actual patient data. Here's what changes for you by the end. Before this course, you're someone who took a Python class. After it, you're someone who has actually built a working model on a real data set. That's not a line on a certificate, that's proof you can point to. 7. Basics of data visualization for data science. Here's an uncomfortable truth. The smartest analysis in the world means nothing if the people in the room can't understand it. This course teaches you to turn raw numbers into something people can actually see, using Python, Tableau, Power BI, and R. You'll build real interactive dashboards, and the course ends with a hands-on project visualizing IPL team performance in Power BI. Technical skill gets you hired, but being the person who can explain that skill clearly to someone non-technical is what actually gets you promoted. Most people spend years never learning this half of the job. 8. Popular applications of data science. Now that you actually have the skills, this course shows you exactly where they lead. You'll see the real architecture behind data science systems and applications most people never connect to this field. Visual search, personalized pricing, fraud detection, sports analytics, and even how streaming platforms decide what to recommend you next. It closes with an honest look at the actual job titles hiring for these skills right now. A few weeks ago, this list would have meant nothing to you. Now every single item on it is something you actually understand and can already picture yourself building. So here's what to actually do with all of this. The order matters. Foundations first, so nothing after it feels like guesswork. Math and probability next, so the tools make sense instead of feeling like magic tricks. 2 languages after that, so you can actually build something real. Visualization is next, so people can understand what you built. And applications last, because once you understand the skills, that same list of examples means something completely different to you. Take one course at a time and actually finish each one before moving to the next. Then build one small project with what you learned. Even something as simple as tracking and visualizing your own monthly spending counts. That habit is what turns 8 completed courses into a real, usable skill set, instead of 8 certificates sitting in a folder nobody ever asks to see. If this gave you a clear starting point, hit like, subscribe for more career roadmaps, and tell me in the comments which of these 8 you are starting with today. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.
If you enjoyed this video, you can enroll in Great Learning Academy for free. Choose from hundreds of courses across multiple domains and earn a certificate of completion along the way. And if you want to take it a step further, you can try Great Learning Academy Pro Plus with a free trial. It provides access to additional premium courses with more advanced content from distinguished faculty, along with features like guided projects, a resume builder, and mock interviews to make your learning journey even richer. Link is in the description.